Most people see New York City as loud, crowded, expensive. But today, I'm going to show you the side of NYC that actually makes people fall in love. No tourist traps. No hype. Just real streets, real moments, and real energy. It's early morning in Manhattan. The streets are quiet. The city feels slower. This is when New York feels human. If you've never seen NYC before 9 a.m., stick with me. This will change how you see the city. New York isn't one city, it's dozens. Walk 5 minutes and the vibe completely changes. Glass skyscrapers turn into brownstones. Corporate energy turns into neighborhood life. This is why people either hate or love New York, because most only see one version. You hear the subway rumble beneath your feet. Food carts firing up grills. Languages from every corner of the world, sometimes on the same block. This city doesn't sleep. It layers. Everyone knows Times Square, but step one street away and it's a completely different universe. Less noise. More character. This is where New York breathes between the chaos. Here's the secret. New York isn't impressive because it's big. It's impressive because it's alive every second, every block. The city doesn't try to impress you. It challenges you. Now the sun starts dropping. Buildings glow. The streets reflect light like mirrors. This is the moment that turns visitors into dreamers. New York isn't a checklist city. It's a feeling you either catch or miss completely. If this video changed how you see NYC, watch the next one, because this city always has another story waiting.